you have that that diagram.
Yes.
The diagram, it is there, but you didn't even refer to the diagram.
Oh.
So you should make reference to the diagram. Otherwise, if you don't need to refer to diagram, don't put it there.
Okay. Oh, because it's referring to earlier slide, so we already talked about the same.
Okay. Or maybe you can point out where's the angle tube, where's the concha lock.
The next one will point out.
Okay. Alright.
So this is what we mean by angle tube, right? Where we have the cable attached to the overmolded strain relief, right? So because of the way we design this geometry, it can be customized, and the cable can be attached at any angle that is required by your design. Okay? So if you require design of a certain angle, we can customize this for you. So this is very helpful for your application and for ease of design.
Okay.
Next, I'm just sharing some concha lock design options, right? The first of all is the wrap around the receiver body. Okay, this is the first option that you can consider. The second option is...
Don't say consider.
Consider. Second one is for you to insert through hole in the strain relief. And finally, you can mold it directly onto the strain relief. So all these have their pros and cons, and you as designers will be best positioned to ensure that or choose the right design that fits you. And from our part, we offer the flexibility to meet whatever your requirements.
I like that one. So this means we offer the flexibility to meet your requirements. I like that one. Okay, that is the benefit.
Alright. The next slide I would like to share with you is to show you that we have a complete team that is ready to service you. All the way from project management, design, mechanical, manufacturing, quality test, and even the global account support. And between them, this team has plenty of experience. As you can see here, the average experience is about 20 years in this industry. So the nose team is very prepared to support your requirements as a customer, and because we have this wealth of experience here, definitely you will get the best service and support from us.
This means our organization has the right structure.
This means our organization
has the right
has
structure,
the correct structure
to support
your requirement.
Alright. So that's very good. That's very good, Alvin.
Yeah.
Because in many presentations, I often see presenters putting up their organization chart, right from the CEO right to the drivers even, and yet not telling us what that means to the customer. Why is it important to show the organization chart? So we show the organization chart, or a simplified version like what you did, to show that you have the various separation of duties. So this means that it has the right structure to provide the best service and support to the customer.
The experience as well. Working experience.
Working experience, yeah. Yeah, correct. Continue.
Okay. Here we would like to show you the location of the factory that will be supporting this new design. For ERU manufacturing, we will do it in what our plant that we call KW, or Nose Electronics Weifang, which is based in China. A little bit on Weifang. We opened it in the year 2000, so they have many years of experience working, more than 15 years already, in operations and producing transducer parts, okay, assembly parts.
It has an experienced production team.
Yes, an experienced production team.
Yeah.
Okay, they have a new building actually that was completed in August 2005. They have moved in there, which is 70,000 square feet. What does this mean for you?
Right.
There's a lot of capacity that we can utilize to meet your requirement. So CRD and all that is not an issue.
Right. I like that one.
Okay. Definitely highly skilled electronics assembly workforce, more than 15 years. We have been there, very experienced and very well trained.
Good.
And we are very experienced also, as I mentioned, in the VAM, value added manufacturing, and for the ERU or RICs, right? in addition to the factory production, what we can
It's not
offer-
production, it's production.
production. Okay. In addition to the factory production,
Ah, yeah.
we have our specialty that our competitor does not have.
Competitor.
The competitor does not have.
What is that?
We have test capabilities in Singapore, right next to you,
Yeah, next door.
right next door. If you have a problem with your production, just send it next door. Call our guy over. We will measure all your products for you, and or even new designs for your company. Right? What does this office offer? Field return support, R&D support, QA, and production testing. We have one engineer and 2 test employees. You can give them a call, they will walk over the road and come and see you. This is something that our competitor does not have. One more is to share with you on our supply chain strategy. This is how it works. I will show you here. Raw material suppliers, right, will be, one of it will be from our Cebu factory who will produce the receivers, right? And we have other manufacturing suppliers who will all ship these products into our nose Weifang facility.
Yes. Okay. Now, if you use a pointer, right?
Yes.
Just point. Yeah, our nose Cebu receiver is here, and then the nose Weifang is here. Don't do this.
Oh, okay.
Don't do it. We get very dizzy.
I see.
Yeah, we get very. Sometimes you go on. Sometimes you get overexcited, and here this is our global distribution center. If you get very excited,
Thanks, good tip.
yeah. So just point.
Just point there.
Just point and let go. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So nose Weifang will be our production location, and all these will be consolidated into what we call our KIPC or Global Distribution Center.
Okay.
What this offers is a one-stop shipping location where we can send to any of the various locations that you have. So you don't have to worry about the factory is going to ship to you here, you have a problem shipping. No, it will be consolidated and we will keep some inventory here to ensure that there is always some supply.
To ensure that there is always
supply to reduce the risk of supply chain disruption.
Okay.
Okay. And why should you partner with us
Why?
for this ERP,
That's great.
for the high-tech technology? Here goes. First of all, the technology itself. We've offered the highest output, right, at the optimal size for your design requirements. Okay. Definitely very high reliability requirements. You have worked with us for many
What is the proof of your the proof of your claim? Highest output for size.
earlier we have already shared.
Okay. Yeah, you shared the data sheet. Okay, right. Okay, continue.
So, number 2, the second one is the aggressive price positioning that we offer you. You get differentiated technology at the lowest possible overall ownership cost. That is what Nose offers you. Performance. Definitely, Nose is still, it has been and continues to be the best in class for delivery, where we have more than 95% performance rating over the past 18 months. All this data is shared with your supply chain. They are very happy with us. We have received 100% rating in terms of CRT. Cross-functional development team. Very experienced, as I have showed you earlier, across the board, from all the project leaders, engineers, whatever support, quality support. The whole project team set up to support your requirement. Very experienced. Key members have all been identified for this project. More than 20 years, 30 years experience average. And we offer the test capability next door to you. Finally, last but not least, 5, we have had a history of successful collaboration with your company across the previous early generations of this product, right? Leading to us being given multiple awards over the last 5 years, working together with you on the second generation and the third generation, and now we want to also be your partner for the fourth generation. So having said that, I would like to continue to urge you to give the due consideration to our proposal as we proposal as we believe that we remain the best partner for your company.
Thank you very much.